This is the question of percentage asked in UPSC 2021. So what's the question? If the price of an article is decreased by 20% and then the new price is increased by 25%, then what is the net change? So he is asking the net change. So the question is, suppose there is an item, there are apples, right? So initially it price got decreased, by 20%, and later the price of apple increased by 25%. So what is the final price, right? So he is asking that जो फाइनल प्राइस है एंड जो ओरिजिनल प्राइस था, so that will be net change. So this will be net change, final price minus original price, right? So this will be net change. So he's asking the net change only. So how we will calculate it? If you remember, I told you, like when we are solving the questions in percentage, so normally we consider what? We consider 100 items, right? So here we will consider that let the initial price of apple is 100. If you remember, in other questions we consider price x, right, or y or z, something like that. But in the question of percentage we normally consider price like 100 or 100x. Why in the multiple of 100? Because there is percentage. So if we will do the percentage, if we want to calculate the percentage like 20%, so the 100 will cancel this 100. So the calculation is easy. That's why we consider 100 or in a multiple of 100. So here I am assuming that the initial price of an article is 100 rupees, right? Now the price got decreased by 20%. So I told you how we will calculate. Like suppose we consider the price initially 100 minus, because the price got reduced, how much price got reduced? 20. Percentage sign will convert into 1 upon 100, and 20% of what? Initial price 100, right? This 100 the initial price, what we consider, this is also the initial price because the price got reduced by 20%. Okay, if you are having any problem, you can consider, if you are going to buy a pen from a shopkeeper, he will tell you that the price is 10 rupees or 100 rupees, but he will give you the discount of 20%. So what will be the final price? The final price will be 80 rupees, right? So similarly here we are doing. So what will be the price? 80. Or we can directly do it by saying like 100 is the initial price and the decrease of 20%. So normally when we talk about 20% decrease, we will write 80 upon 100 directly, because किसी भी item का, suppose there is an item x, and if we are counting the 100% of it, so what will be it? Answer will be x only, right? And if there is an increase of 20%, then it will be x into 120, like 100% plus 20%. 100% will remain same, right? Then 20%. So we can directly write it like this. And if you are talking about decreasing, then we can directly write x into, if there is a decrease of 20%, 80%. So here we are doing directly. So the price is 80 rupees. Now this 80 rupees price, later what happened? There is an increase of 25%. So what we can directly write? 125 upon 100, right? So we can cancel this. So what's the final price? 100 rupees. So 100 is the final price and initial price was also 100. So what is the net change? Net change is final price minus original price. Both are 100. So net change is 0. So what will be the answer? Answer is 0. Okay. So the answer is 0%. He is asking in percentage. So how the percentage will come? The percentage will come because the formula of net change is, net change formula is final price minus original price upon original price into 100, right? So this is the formula of net change. Okay, we have to remember this. So because this is 0, 0 upon 100 into 100. So this answer will be in percentage, right? So its answer is A. ठीक समझ में आ गया होगा आई होप, राइट.